Hey everybody, welcome back. It's been a minute since we've been on a Blackstone, but today we are back on the Blackstone. As you've seen in the title, we're making some taco smashburgers. Now who don't love a classic smashburger? I mean, come on, they're delicious. Let's put a little Mexican flair to them and add some tacos to them. Hey, we can put tacos on a shell, a burrito, why not in a burger? Let's do this. But before we do, make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe, hey, and use hashtag Crazy Crew and let me know you subscribed. Be part of our Crazy Crew. We'll be glad to have you. Let's show you what we're cooking with. If you're gonna make any kind of burger, the first thing you have to have is burger. So that's what we have here. We got a pack of burger. We're gonna make a couple of these smash burgers. We have some great value taco seasoning. Hey, you just use whatever kind you want. I'm not supporting them, I'm not dissing them, just whatever. That's what we have. We have some Mexican blend cheese. Got some taco sauce, some salsa, of course diced tomatoes, onions, some lettuce, some peppers. Whatever you like on a taco, hey, put it on there. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna dump this burger in a bowl now and get to mixing it up, get some taco seasoning in it, and get to making these burgers. Let's do this. All right, the first thing we need to do, we're gonna open up our burger. We're just gonna dump it all in this bowl right here. We're gonna get to mixing. Uh-oh. So we're just gonna take it. Now I'm only gonna make a couple burgers, and no, I'm not gonna make a couple burgers out of all this. That's gonna be our supper tonight. Just for the video's sake, I'm gonna make a couple burgers. That's roughly about 4 pounds of meat here. So we're gonna put 4 packs of seasoning. Now, if you like to make your tacos, however you want to season them, hey, go right ahead. All right, let's get all this just mixed together now. Now good and tacoed up. Is that even a phrase, a word, tacoed up? Now Bryson has decided to help me, hadn't he, buddy? Yeah, he's gonna help me cook. Now griddle fires up. He may not be there right away, but he's not far from it. Bryson's my man. Now the rest of them, they'll show up when it's done. They'll let me do all the cooking. When they smell it's about done, they'll show back up. All right, let's show you how we're gonna do this here. Okay, it's all mixed up, ready to go. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna make out, roughly about a 4-ounce patty, roughly. Put it on there. I say patty, a ball, about a 4-ounce ball. Now I'm not gonna weigh them. If you wanna weigh them, that's fine. We're gonna do enough to make 2 of these things. Hey, make them as big as you want. It's your smash burger. It's your world. I'm just living in it. All right, get some wax paper in a smoosher. And can you smush down on that, Bryson? Smush down on that. As far as you can. Smush down. And hold that down for about 10 seconds so get a good sear on that thing. Boy, I can smell that taco seasoning. You smell it? Yeah. All right, let's try it. Okay. That's a little longer than 10 seconds, but okay. I'll reach this one. I'll smush it, okay? And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and get a little bit of butter going here. We're gonna toast our buns. You like toasted buns? I know y'all can't see his head, but he did say yes. Wait a minute. All right, put those on there. Right there. That one took all our butter. Okay, try that one. There you go. And what I have this rack here for is I bought me a cooling rack. Believe it or not, that's just a cooling rack, just a regular cooling rack. What you do is after you toast your buns or whatever you're cooking and you want to keep it warm, just lay it up on top of the cooling rack. I got this side on low. The ambient heat will keep whatever you got going warm. And what we're trying to do is we're gonna try to cook these burgers about halfway and then we'll flip them over. Okay, you wanna try to flip that one? Now flip it over for me. There we go. You gonna flip this one? Normally, he cooks my onions for me. We don't have any onions. We got onions, but we're not gonna cook them. Now tell me that just don't like an all-American beef patty you see it at a diner somewhere. Let's check these buns. Get a little toast to them. Oh yeah. We don't want them too toasted up. We don't want them burnt. At least I don't. If y'all can hear that or not, we got a storm coming in. I'll try to get all this cooked up before the storm hits us. Let's put this over here and keep the buns nice and warm. It's always a good idea to keep your buns warm. Now what we're gonna do to kind of help it along a little bit, we're gonna just set these presses on it, kind of push them down, just not smash them, and just let them cook for a little bit. Then we're gonna build this thing.
And then eat it.
Then eat it. Okay, he does speak, see? See everybody, he does speak. Okay, let's see if we can get this thing together here. What we'll do is, we'll get our handy dandy Blackstone cutting board out. Put this on here. What I'm gonna do is this. I'll take this. I'm gonna take some of this cheese right here and put on it. Then we're gonna take another one. That's right. Double patty. What you think about that? Okay. And then to make it all ooey and gooey, here comes the rain. Good thing we're under a little shed here. All right, let's make this all ooey and gooey now. Let me see the cover. Okay. Take a little bit of water. And we'll steam that down. All right, we got it good and steamed down now. I hope y'all can hear me over this rain that's coming down now. Now what we'll do is we'll take it up and we'll get some of our fried cheese out of the way. That's some good stuff though. I hate to waste it. I don't know if they can hear me or not. That's some heavy rain coming down. So what we'll do now is we'll get a little bit of taco sauce put on here. You like taco sauce on here? Yeah. Taco sauce. Let's see. Let's put some lettuce. You like lettuce on yours? Lettuce. Some onion. Y'all, I'm real sorry. This storm come up out of nowhere. It was sunshine when we started this. Uh-oh, knocked my spatula off. Good thing I have another one. Aha. I tell you what, pull a few like jalapenos on yours. We'll put jalapenos on one of them, okay? And well, do you want tomato on yours? Yeah. Well, I don't want tomato on mine. Okay. So I'll put a little bit of diced tomatoes on yours. And we'll take it and top it off. Get a couple pics for the camera. And we're gonna try these out. Okay, it's the moment of truth. It's still storming. Kind of let up a little bit. Maybe y'all can hear me. I hope you can. So, you think it's gonna be good? Yeah? All right, let's cut this one. This is the one Bryson wanted. Don't have salsa or it don't have jalapenos on it. Gimbal over here wants to try a piece of it. Y'all try it out, let me know what you think. I'm gonna try this one here with the jalapenos on it. That's it. That's a burger. Here's to you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What you think? You like it? I tell you what, that is freaking good. The tacos, the charred bun that's flying off in the wind. Just everything all together. Man, that's good. You have to try this. If you don't try anything else, you got to try this. So what we do now? Well, he's still eating. We know what he's doing. What we gonna do now? Give this video a thumbs up. We would appreciate that. Hey, leave us a comment down below what you think, what you want us to cook next, where you want us to go, whatever. And if you want to be a part of the Crazy Crew, hey, hashtag Crazy Crew in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and you're in. That's it. That must be good. He ain't stopped yet. Is it that good? You want another one? All right, we got to cook some more. So y'all take care of that. We'll take care of this, and we'll see you next time.